People often ask me, sir, what is the short way to clear the IELTS exams? And we have to keep telling them that it is all about practice and the right way of preparing. So a lot of people, what they do is they want to do everything at once, and they think that IELTS is just an exam that they can like this, they can clear it quickly, and then they'll just go ahead with it. Well, the truth is that IELTS is not as simple as it looks. It is quite difficult, and even if you are good and fluent in English, you cannot crack the exams unless you're prepared for it. So you may ask me what is the right way to prepare. Well, if you want to prepare for it, I'll give you the short-term approach. The short-term approach is diving right into the preparation practice, where you just go in and entire day, all day and night, all you're doing is preparing for it. You're reading books, you're giving the mock tests, watching the video, researching on the subject, researching more and more about IELTS, understanding what are the techniques that work for you, what is that method that works for you, what is that exact format. Understanding the format is important, but with that it is important to understand what are the things that work for you, what are the things you are good at, and what are the things you suck at. So understanding your own way of preparing for the exam, so it takes a lot of effort to prepare for it. Often there's a big question in people's mind where they ask me that, sir, what is the duration, how long will it take me to prepare for the exam, because I am from Gujarati medium. Well, my answer is the same for everyone, whether you're from English medium or you're an English medium. Well, the answer is same for everyone, whether you're an English medium student or a Gujarati medium student. If you are motivated, if you are determined to prepare for the exams, nobody can stop you. So yeah, so in order to prepare for the IELTS, here are some tips that you have to follow every day. You have to create like a exact routine on what you're going to do throughout the day. Start with the listening test. Do at least 2 listening tests every day, and not just attempting them. A lot of students, what they do is they just sit, they give the exams, they check the answer, and that's it. You have to look at the point, you have to look at the questions which went wrong, and then listen to the audio again and understand how and why you went wrong. So that will help you understand the format and how these exams are created. So that's the first thing to do in the morning. Every day start by doing the next step is you start doing one reading. The next step is you attempt one reading test every day. Start with general if you are starting. General tests are basically easier than the academic one, and do one reading test every day. As you go on, try doing two reading tests every day. Maybe go for the academic one and look at the score, and then find out where you are lacking. After doing the test, try doing the reverse test. Reverse test is where you find the answers first, you write them in the blanks, and then you look for that correct line, that correct paragraph, comparing it with the correct answer. So you do a reverse test, so that will help you improve. As for the writing part, you need somebody to coach you, so that somebody who can assess your writing and tell you where you are wrong, where you're right. So writing, again, even if you see, it doesn't matter how many samples you see for writing. You might read the best 9-band samples, but unless you don't write it yourself, you're not going to improve. So you have to stop reading people's writing skills, because a lot of students I've seen is what they do is they observe, they read other people's sentences, they copy those sentences, the same words, and they try to bring something, and then they try to label it as their own. But the truth is that it is somebody else's creation. So my advice is don't look for anybody else's samples, just write your own. Maybe in the initial period when you need to get an idea of how these essays are written, I would suggest you to go through some samples, but then not all the time. Try to create your own samples. and after that get them checked, get them assessed, get reviews about how you've written it and where you're lacking, what are the mistakes that you're committed, and then look at what are your areas and scopes of improvement. If you plan to if you aim for 7 bands, then definitely you will have to work a lot on your vocabulary, on your grammar skills, on your word power, on your cohesive devices. So get your writing sample assessed from somebody who's an IELTS trainer. And for the speaking part, my tip is you cannot be fluent in English language unless you don't speak. So you start communicating on a daily basis with people, you meet people and talk to them all the time here and there. A lot of people they complain that we don't have the company. So you have to find the company, you have to find a group of people who will help you out for that. And then at the end, so that is for the speaking test. So find somebody with whom you can go on and practice. There are a group of students who also complain that સર સમજ બધી પડે છે, કોઈ પણ વાત કરે તો બધી ખબર પડે છે, પણ પોતાને બોલવું હોય તો બોલાતું નથી. સમજ બધી પડે છે પણ બોલાતું નથી. So for those people I would say that ask yourself, how much have you actually spoken in English? How many hours have you spoken and communicated in English? Well, the answer is none. You have not at all spoken in English. So here I would say that you need to start speaking, whether it is right or wrong. Do take some classes on grammar if you need the guidance. Learn the correct sentence formation and then start preparing for it. Are you sitting at home and you're bored and you have no idea what to do? Do you want to prepare for IELTS? Do you want to improve your communication skills? Do you want to learn how to speak fluently in English? Do you want to improve your personality? Well, if your answer is yes for any of these things, we suggest you to be a part of our online classes. We bring you online classes in the morning and in the evening at your home, right at your doorstep. You can enroll anytime you like. You can request for a free demo class if you are interested. We conduct training for IELTS, for English language, for grammar classes, as well as for soft skills, and we give consultancy for foreign education and PR. If you're interested in any of these services, please get in touch with us as soon as possible. We'll be happy to help you.